Welcome to an absolutely freezing cold morning in my new house. The bed was okay, but the temperature's ridiculous. Anyway, I've spent the last half an hour looking around for this. Now that is the piezo that I need to get this started, because at the moment the spark's going down. So now I found it. I'm gonna have some breakfast and then get back on the road before I freeze to death. Oh. So a few years ago, you may remember I walked up Clee Hill, and when I got to the top, I said one day I'm going to come back and do a camping trip. Well, today's that day. I'm going to lug all this gear up the top of that hill and I'm going to set up camp, but we're going to have to wait till it's dark, because at the moment there is a lot of people in the area and they're most likely enjoying the views from on top of that hill. So I've locked the helmet up for the night, put all my valuables in the top box, even though they're not really that valuable, just, you know, clothes and things. And the tank bag, I put all the crap in. So everything that nobody would want, I've left in there, because as much as I want to take it up the hill with me, it's just impractical. So let's go. So this is the long, mild climb. And then just up there where you can see the sand and stones, that's the harder part. But yeah, we should be up there within the next 20 minutes. Oh, hello. Hey. Hey. Oh. So I'm taking a different route up this time, and even from the bottom of the hill the view is utterly spectacular. You got all this open land you can see for miles and miles, and there's just one irritating person with a chainsaw over there in the woods, if you can see the smoke. So I'm probably going to pitch the other side. So I've just checked on the old BBC weather, and it says we've got a 51% chance of precipitation in this area. Between you and me, that means I'm going to get wet. So no way. You mentioned the devil and he comes. It's raining. There's no way that's a sheer drop. Jeez. Well, you wouldn't want to roll down there, would you? And that little hill over there looks pretty promising as well. I'm going to be honest, I would prefer to camp on that hill over there. That looks like it's got an even more better open view. Decisions. We'll see. So obviously with rain, there's some positives as well as the negatives. The negatives being that you get soaking wet, your gear gets soaking wet, and it's difficult to cook. But the positives are there's far less people around, less distractions, and nobody's going to come around and disturb you in the night. So I always look forward to a bit of rain. In moderation, obviously. Wow. So obviously we've approached the steeper part of the hill, and just over that pinnacle there, we'll be at the top. So surprisingly, the backpack's not so much of a hindrance. I think all these years of camping, I finally got the perfect weight right for my backpack. But come on, a few more steps. There we go. That's the other side of the hill. Let's just head up here. Jog. There we go. Wow, this is incredible. It was worth the jog. Sorry about the wind noise, but I've made up my mind. I am going to camp on that second hill. So it looks like we've got to get down the hill, and then we've got to climb all the way back up that other hill. So I'm going to crack on with that now, because I think it's going to be a good 15 minutes before I'm over there. So you can see just over there is the mountain marker, and most people climb this hill to reach that point. I'm not most people, I'm going over here. I don't know how steep this looks on camera, but it's very steep and it's quite edgy to go down. So I'm going to film this because something's going to go wrong. This is far too steep for my let's try a different way. Oh, I'm sure we'll be fine. Maybe. Oh God. Well, it probably looks a bit steeper now we see this side. I hope I can find my way back in the morning. I'm always a bit dazed when I wake up. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Right. Fun. Oh. You can see the sliding on the shoes. Look at the mud I've taken up. Okay, we're almost at the top of this hill. That was the one we came down a bit abruptly, but I'm looking forward to getting something to eat. I haven't eaten yet. Had a fruit pastel. Oh, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We've conquered the second mountain. There was the first one. Got trees down here, farmland all around. Time to set up camp. So conveniently, the only flat piece of land in this whole area is the peaks. So I'm pitched right on top of that peak you've just seen. looking okay. Alright, pin the last one down. Good pegs these are, they're hollow as well. I think they're titanium or aluminium. Now this is a room with a view. So before I begin unpacking everything, I'm going to begin cooking and get some food inside of me. That's not a leak, is it? Oh my god, I've got a leak. Just what I need up here. Today I've got something very special actually. It's a traditional pasta noodle dish with a chicken and mushroom soup, and it's normally served with like a piece of crusty bread as well. So just grab it out of here. There we go. Be heroic in 4 minutes. Chicken and mushroom pot noodle. Go. Just going to leave that on for about 10-15 minutes, then we'll add it to my luxury dish. My tripod also. The temperature's really coming down now. I don't know if you can see this, but there is mist coming out of my mouth, meaning we're probably reaching about 4 degrees or something like that. So yeah, getting cold. So as you can see, I'm using my green bag as a windshield, and my water is pretty much ready. I forgot it come with soy sauce. What a luxury. Go. Well, that was perfect timing right there. My pot noodles just finished and it's starting to tip it down with rain, so let's get back inside. Jeez. I think there's going to be a storm tonight. Those clouds are looking a bit ominous. So the rain's been on and off. I think we got about 20-30 minutes left of light. So what I'm going to do is wrap myself up warm and get back in the tent. Oh, what a location though, eh? I mean, this is perfect. So it's getting a bit cold sitting still in the tent. I've decided to venture up and visit the viewpoint. Now the weather's really coming down, so hopefully you can see it in the low light conditions. And that's the view from the top. And you probably can't see it, but my tent back down that hill again. Ah, wonderful. So it's absolutely typical that it would stop raining the second I get back in my tent. I am absolutely soaked right through, so I'm going to put some dry clothes on and get into bed, because 6:30 I need to head off to get to the garage for my tyres to be changed at 8:30. So I'll leave you with the little brain thinker, and that is, do you think that dogs always bring sticks back to us because our ancestors trained them to collect firewood? Just something to think about. I'll see you tomorrow.